Got everyone Googling Justin's dating history. Which Spice Girl did JT bring sexy back with?
Sexy back.
If you wanna be my lover.
You had a thing with Justin Timberlake, didn't you? You had a one-nighter with him, is that right?
It's an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following county, Tuolumne, California. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Tuolumne County in northern California until 7:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:37 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Pinecrest, or 17 miles east of Calaveras Big Tree SP, moving southwest at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Pinecrest and Strawberry for your protection. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county, Tuolumne, California.
At Close Friends and Family Sale, give mom